So me and Vaz have visited some of the people at No Nay Never Forget, literally a stone's throw from Turf Moor, and we've come down to play a bit of higher or lower with some of the people here and have to teach Vaz how to play, and some dominoes, and just getting involved with some of the people who come here and spread some laughs and some happiness.
I think with this group, people feel really comfortable to come in and ask for support. With the name Dementia not being mentioned in the title of the group, I think that massively helps as well. And I just think people know that they can come here and get the answers that they need.
Yeah, I'm a season ticket holder, and so is wife, so is my grandson. When I was younger, my big brother used to take me on, or my dad took me on the match.
You don't know the people who follow the Burnley Football Club, and it's always important and nice to get out of the training ground and give some energy away. So yeah, brilliant experience.
The benefit of the players coming down is that the thing is with Burnley Football Club, a lot of the people that live in the town are Burnley fans. So they'll as soon as the players walk through the door, they'll know exactly who they are. We've probably got half of the people in there season ticket holders. They've been coming on Turf Moor since they were kids. So for them to see Burnley Football Club as it was and where it is now, and the fact that they're involved with us, they're involved with the football club, it means the world to them. We're
so privileged to be in a position that we can go and even walking in a room without saying anything, people recognise you and they feel a connection to you through football. So I feel like coming here and spreading joy and a little bit of time out of our day is absolutely so worthwhile, and it makes you really appreciate the job that Burnley do in the community.